In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Visual Studio Code. Connecting GitHub to Visual Studio Code makes it easier to clone repositories, edit code, commit changes, push updates, and manage your projects without leaving your editor. First, make sure Git is installed on your computer. Git is the tool that allows Visual Studio Code to communicate with GitHub. After installing Git, open Visual Studio Code. Next, sign into your GitHub account inside Visual Studio Code. Click the account icon in the bottom left corner, then choose Sign In with GitHub. Your browser may open and ask you to authorize Visual Studio Code. Sign into GitHub, approve the connection, and return to Visual Studio Code. Now you can clone a repository from GitHub. In Visual Studio Code, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on Mac. Type git clone, then select Git clone. Paste the GitHub repository URL, choose a folder on your computer, and wait for the project to download. Once cloning is complete, Visual Studio Code will ask if you want to open the repository. Click Open. After opening the project, you can edit files normally. When you make changes, click the source control icon on the left side. You will see the modified files listed there. To save your changes to Git, type a clear commit message, then click Commit. After committing, click Sync Changes or push to upload your changes back to GitHub. If this is your first time pushing, Visual Studio Code may ask you to sign in or confirm permissions again. Once connected, you can use Visual Studio Code and GitHub together to manage your code, track changes, and collaborate more smoothly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.